So today's like the first time it hasn't snowed for 3 consecutive days, and by that I mean like the past 3 days it has not snowed. It's still cold, it's like 35 degrees, but the roads are dry. So I haven't rode my bike in a while. Needs warmed up, needs ran, so I'm gonna go ride my bike. I'm wearing so much clothes. I'm really overheating being inside. Let's go.
So I totally forgot you're not allowed to film on pace. So yeah, I started at my house and then drove out of my driveway and put my GoPro in my pocket. But yeah, it's been like a solid 3 or 4 months since I've rode, so it's not great. I took a turn at speed and it felt difficult actually. But not too bad, not too bad. I need to ride more. I mean, this is the first time I've rode since winter hit, since it got like sub 40, sub 50 degrees. And it's not too bad, honestly, as long as I am. I can still feel everything, I can still control everything, and I'm not feeling a chill, really. I mean, when I hit 50, 60, there was a slight chill on my neck where my neck warmer popped up, but that's it. So over the summer, Utah legalized lane filtering, not lane splitting. So at a stoplight in a 2-lane road, you can filter the front. I'm not sure if I can do that in a turning lane. I really wish I could. I really wish I knew. It's way too hot. I have a coupon for 2 quarter pounds.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, we're here to go.
Take it.
Okay, it's me 465.
Watch, now that I'm taking that sweatshirt off, I'm gonna be way too cold. That's just how it works.
This is probably gonna be like a really short, like just video with literally nothing happening. I am going to PowMow tomorrow, and that I will upload next week. So that's gonna be the video that I'm actually working on. This is kind of just a filler because I didn't go for a couple weeks. I fell off on my backlog, so I need to create more backlog. So I'm just doing this week, and then what I do this week will be next week's video. So sorry if this is really boring. It's just me riding a bike, but yeah.
So that's it, guys. Super short video this week. Just me riding my bike to go get some McDonald's. Tomorrow I'm going to Powder Mountain. Stay tuned for that footage next Friday, Saturday time frame. I'm definitely going to get a windscreen for the GoPro so I can do more motovlog type stuff because I kind of want to get into that, maybe do some of that. Leave a comment below on what you think, if I should do motovlogs, if you hate them, you know. I think it'd be a fun road to venture down, but definitely would need a mic for inside the helmet and a windscreen. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, like, comment, all that good stuff. See you next week.